Have you ever wondered what happens when a beloved star has to step back from a highly anticipated role? And it's a situation that uh, can leave fans like buzzing with like speculation and excitement. Before diving into this intriguing tale, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. As we look ahead to 2025, the world of television is set to be filled with thrilling offerings from Taylor Sheridan. Fans are eagerly awaiting new seasons of Yellowstone and its spinoff, The Madison, along with Mayor of Kingstown. Um, However, the spotlight is now on country music icon Tim McGraw, who was set to star in a new Netflix series. Initially announced in May 2024, there was uncertainty surrounding a second season of 1883. Meanwhile, Netflix revealed that McGraw would take on the role of a legendary bull riding champion in a Western-themed series. Uh, Unfortunately, due to health issues, he has had to step away from this exciting project, which is being produced by Skydance Television and Down Home Studios. For fans looking forward to McGraw's concerts later in 2024, it's important to note that he has postponed several dates due to orthopedic surgery on both knees. Thankfully, it seems like his surgery won't significantly impact his involvement in the Netflix drama. However, reports indicate that McGraw will also need back surgery, which could keep him away from both mechanical and live bull riding for a while. The character he was set to portray is an aging superstar facing challenges from a young competitor requiring a demanding performance that may be difficult for him at this time. A big, expensive, and with McGraw stepping back, the creative team now has the chance to find a suitable replacement. And then initially, he was also an executive producer, but it remains unclear if he will continue in that role. Despite the uncertainty, Taylor Elmore, known for his work on Justified, is co-showrunning this new project alongside Brandon Camp. If the team is looking for someone who can fill McGraw's boots, Timothy Oliphant, famously known as Raylan Givens, could be the perfect fit. Their shared first name feels like a sign of destiny, doesn't it? Now, whether Oliphant is interested in a role that involves bull riding stunts is another question. It's essential to communicate with him before any official announcements are made. And still, it's hard to deny that he would be an excellent choice for the part. Perhaps the cancellation of his beloved show, Santa Clarita Diet, left him yearning for a new project. Speaking of familiar faces, Brandon Camp, who wrote the 2001 thriller Dragonfly featuring Kevin Costner, could also be a potential replacement. After all, McGraw played Costner's ancestor in Sheridan's universe. As this story unfolds, let's send our best wishes to Tim McGraw for a smooth recovery and healing process. And remember, if bull riding were easy, it would be called cow riding. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,